I'm Sam from West Fargo Salon. I'm the featured stylist of the week. Today I'm going to show you how to do a waterfall braid. I'm going to do one on this side of her part and this side, and then they're going to connect in the back. So first you want to take a section, kind of have it diagonal, and then start off like you would with just a normal braid. And then you just drop the first one, and then what you'll do is pick up from the bottom, then cross, and then again drop that one, pick up here. This style is very nice for little girls if they want, they need their hair out of their face. It's really nice too if you would like your hair half up, half down. It's just an easier way. It gives it a lot of dimension in your hair. And then you just kind of keep going until you get to the back of the head. You can drop that one. And then if you need to secure it, you just kind of grab that under piece again, and instead of dropping any pieces, you can just keep on braiding down until you get to the other side. And I'm just going to secure that with a little tie. And then have it go this way. And let's do the other side. Style is very I'll just take this one out. Smooth it down, and then if you want, you can, to hide it, you can, I like to put a little bobby pin up so it hides the ponytail. So just kind of put it up a little bit more. And then there you are. You have your waterfall braid.